Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare public bank versus private bank. We'll explore their fundamental differences, examine the unique benefits each offers, and discuss how their operational models impact you as a customer. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding to help you choose the best banking solution for your personal or business needs. Let's dive in. Public banks are often seen as pillars of their communities, channeling funds back into local economies. They can provide essential services, sometimes with more favorable terms, because their primary goal isn't maximizing shareholder returns. This focus on public good means they might support initiatives that private banks wouldn't, fostering local growth and stability for everyone.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, making healthy financial choices often goes hand in hand with healthy lifestyle choices. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
On the other hand, private banks excel in offering sophisticated financial tools and services. If you need advanced investment options, wealth management, or extensive international banking capabilities, a private institution might be a better fit. Their competitive nature often drives innovation, leading to cutting-edge technology and highly tailored customer experiences for their clients. The fundamental distinction lies in their ownership and ultimate objectives. Public banks serve the public interest, often supporting local infrastructure or small businesses, while private banks are driven by profitability. This difference influences everything from their product offerings to their customer service models, shaping how they operate and what they prioritize in their daily functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.